Hello everyone, this is Ophelia. Welcome to Stake-Up Display Studio. Following, I would like to introduce the one display dumping is popular used in the supermarket. And are you worried about taking so much time to assemble a display? Following a solution about the dumping can solve these questions. Now let us to set up this display. You can see it's a flat patch and the shipping size is not very big, and when you open it, and it's a finish. You can see the board is here, the finish. And then you put the insert inside here, just in case the products and will be fall out in the bottom, and you can put some products like something. How to say, this is a lure, fishing lure. I think you can put the product inside here. So this is a dumping bench. You do not take a second to assemble set up the display. Now, when you want to take this display to another place, you also can move. But you want to wrap it again to use, and we can also put the products outside and put this one the dumping. And then just wrap it. It is finished. So it's very easier one. If anyone you are interested about this display, welcome to contact us. Following on the bottom of the screen, we will have our website and our email. Welcome to ask any questions. Bye bye.